Everyone has a skill that makes them an expert in their field, a strength that could be taught and benefit others greatly. Although presenting it in a teachable manner may prove difficult getting off the ground, either with technicalities or visibility. That's where Idea Factory comes in, a non-profit networking platform that's aimed at developing a brand gallery of knowledge workers. Our plan is to allow those with a cognitive surplus in skills an opportunity to educate others by adding to an inventory of ideas that will be accessible worldwide. Our focus on 60% futuristic content aims to add modern ideas like robotics, virtual reality, and alternative energy. Idea Factory is open to a wide variety of people, starting with extra special idea presenters, people with unique achievements or experiences, to concept evangelists, professionals in their field of study, and new age subject experts, members of Generation Z with novel ideas for 21st century skills. To start things off, our idea manager will listen to your proposal and help build the path for your idea. Next, we will assist you in creating an engaging script and producing a storyboard. You can shoot the footage at our studio, where we will provide you with professional help to record and edit an exceptional video. Our platform wrangler will do the rest, taking you into the brand gallery to provide your idea with exposure. Interested in turning your idea into a course? Our experts will help you develop a plan that meets the BI School instructional design standards. We will make it available on our MOOC platform BI School, giving our students an opportunity to further learn from your in-depth knowledge. You'll be able to enjoy the royalties that comes with students who take up your course, but most importantly, it comes with the satisfaction of knowing your skills has made a difference in someone's life. Join Idea Factory today, where ideas transform to practice.